Wow, the stock market crash of 2008. Little did I know when I started this business in 2007 that a year later I'd be dealing with the stock market crash. But there were some very valuable lessons learned. And there were some companies that thrived through the crash, and there were some companies that dived in the crash. And I think the biggest differences, having looked at both sides, is that the ones that struggled to survive were the ones that had too much debt, they didn't have any cash reserves, they were probably in just one main vertical market. I mean, just think about it. If your business was in construction during that crash, you were in a lot of trouble. So they were just in one vertical market. But I think one of the biggest issues is that they didn't have resources within their company to generate new business. They didn't have any sales and marketing ability. They couldn't generate that new blood in their business. What had happened is, previous to 2008, they hooked up with a lot of great companies that became customers, and they grew as their customers grew. They were successful because their customers were successful. Then all of a sudden in 2008, the faucet got turned off. And with these big customers that were just sending you order after order after order, stopped. And owners were sitting there trying to figure out, where do I get new business? So they had too much debt, they didn't have enough cash reserves, they were in one vertical market, and they didn't have any mechanism for creating new business from a sales and marketing standpoint. On the flip side, the ones that survived had little debt, a lot of cash in the bank, they were diversified in their vertical markets, they had a strong sales and marketing component of their business, and they took advantage of some of the other weaknesses of some of their competitors. So that's why I think those lessons are great today for any business owner. So just pay attention to those four things.